How to fix unable to join the Wi-Fi network error on iPhone and iPad. Solution 1. Reset network settings. This process will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 2. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. For that, open up Control Center. Turn on airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds. Then turn it off. Solution 3. Reboot your device. Open the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off slide to right side to turn off your device. Wait for few seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 4. Restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from power source and wait for a minute, then plug it back to power source and try again. Solution 5. Select other network. Launch Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. Under Networks, tap on Other. In name field, enter the exact name of the network and then tap Security. Select the security type to WAPA 2 and WAPA 3. Next, tap on Other Network to return to the previous screen. Now enter the network passwords in the password field and then tap Join. Solution 6. Check for software update. To update, open Settings. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.